She never asked. She never complained. She never stopped loving. Every morning, a house woke before dawn. Every night, a mother waited in silence. The story of loud sacrifices. This is the story of the love we ignore because it never demands attention. Love unfolds across 45 days, tracing the unseen life of a mother who gave everything without words, and a child who understood too late. From folded saris soaked in tears, to lunches packed without complaints, to phone calls that came without time, to a hospital corridor where silence finally spoke. This is not fiction alone. It is memory. It is guilt. It is love that raised us quietly. If you have ever said, "I'll call Amma later," this story will stay with you long after the last episode. Some love doesn't speak. It simply waits. If this silence touched you, like, share, and subscribe. This is just beginning. Each and every content of our channel is available as a blog, a Pratilipi novel, an ebook, and an audio experience. All links are in our channel description.